Welcome to StairBiz version 10. In this video, we will show you an overview of how StairBiz can help you cut your stair components with your CNC machine. CNC is an optional module in StairBiz. StairBiz supports all popular CNC machines. To show you how it works, let's imagine you just finished creating a stair, and you need to cut some components in your CNC. Let's go to the CNC bed window. The CNC bed window allows components for the current job to be dragged onto a simulation of the machine bed, arranged and manipulated, then exported to the CNC machine. Note that this bed can be set to the same settings of your own CNC machine. Here is the CNC item list. It contains a list of all components that can be placed on the CNC bed in the current job. Simply double-click on the item you want to put on the bed. To put the strings on the bed, double-click on the strings. Next, let's position them using the virtual bases set on the bed. By default, each item put on the bed will be sent to base 1. You can send the selected item on a different base by using these keyboard shortcuts. There are other ways to position an item on the bed which I will show you later. You can do the same thing with winders, treads, risers, and other components. Let's do a test to see if the cut is okay. When you're done, you can now export the G-code file you need to run your machine. The exported file will contain the same cuts you can see in your bed. Let's create another session. This time, let's put the newels on the bed. Double-click on the newels. Position them on the bed. Test. And export. It's as easy as that. This module is powerful and fully featured, yet easy to learn and use. Once it is set up for your way of working, you can be taught how to use most features in about 30 minutes. The CNC is totally integrated into the main program and not a separate program. This allows full communication between the design, the materials, and the CNC. This is important because it allows StairBiz to do many things automatically that you would normally have to do as a separate process. Now let me show you more CNC features you can use. In StairBiz, you can lay out the simulated bed with the components from multiple jobs. That is, including different components of different material and thickness. For example, let's add a few strings on the bed from the job we opened earlier. Let's close the job and open another one. With the strings from the previous job still on the CNC bed, you can add more strings or any components on the bed. Next, you can define the behavior of the CNC bed window in the CNC machine's window. That way, the CNC bed window will have the same configuration as your CNC machine. For example, here you can set the size of your bed and the bed orientation. In the Tools tab, you can add tools and their specifications. In the Tool Use tab, you can define what tools are to be used in what circumstances. In these tabs, you can change the settings of the cutting and trenching to what suits you. In the Display tab, you can add as many virtual bases as you want on the CNC bed to accurately position items on the CNC bed. You can define settings for one or more CNC machines. If you have multiple CNC machines, you can set them all up here in StairBiz. StairBiz will have a CNC manual with tutorial videos that will discuss all the features in this window. And StairBiz support can also assist you in setting up this window. Back in the CNC bed window, on the top of this window is a drop-down list of all the machines that you created in the CNC machine window. Simply select whichever machine you need to use. There are a full range of features to help you lay out the bed accurately, efficiently, and quickly. This is to correspond with the stops and other positioning systems on the actual bed. All with drag and drop simplicity. One example is by using the bases as I have shown you earlier. You can also use grids. You can select multiple items, align them or space them evenly. You can move an item around using the arrow keys by the amount entered in the nudge field. StairBiz can also drive laser positioning systems where used. In addition to that, you can also rotate and flip items using these buttons in the toolbar. To achieve better results when cutting your stair components, you can add more cuts using the cut templates. Here, you can create a list of cuts you want to add when cutting strings. For example, you can add anti-breakouts in your strings before trenching to avoid breakouts. You can also add finishing cuts after the standard trenching and outline cut. You can also add cuts such as riser grooves and round nosings in treads and winders. At the moment, there are over 80 cut templates you can use in StairBiz, all of which can be set up as a default. There will be separate videos that will discuss how to use the positioning features and the different cut templates you can use. StairBiz supports all popular 3, 4, and 5-axis machines. There is nothing for you to do after you export the items from the StairBiz simulated bed to your machine. StairBiz automatically sets paths for all tools and depths, always with a view to minimizing breakout. You will spend an average of 2 minutes per job to process and export all CNC for that job, with nothing remaining to be done. To our knowledge, no other program comes close to StairBiz in this regard. These are all the features we will show you for now. There are many more CNC features that you can use here in StairBiz that will be shown in the future. We hope you look forward to checking those out. Thank you for watching.